So here recently, I was low on cherry lumber, and I called the local hardwood company to purchase some. And they said they had number 2 common. And it was affordable, right? Well, after looking at it, I don't see hardly any defects. And I guess that's rated to number 2 because it's part sapwood, part heartwood. But anyway, but here is the surprising part. I got in pieces like this. And this. I don't think that's considered a number 2. But their mistake, right? Hopefully you can see the ripples. In there. Some more. Anyway, not going to show you the whole stack, but you get the idea. So what had happened, as typical with most cherry, it usually doesn't come in very wide widths. My widest one's like 9 or 10 inches. So I designed the hook chest to where it would take panels that were like 9.5. Problem is, I come real close to 9 after edging them. So I'm going to show you how. I didn't want to split 2 pieces or get 2 narrow pieces to glue it up with this figure. I didn't want to disturb this. And since I needed about 1 inch added on, I'm going to show you how I add on these strips. And most of these will be concealed in the groove because these will be raised panels. Anyway, I always turn mine upside down for the taping process to start with. And I'll flip it back over here soon. There's a reason for that. So the glue will squeeze out mainly out the side that I'm going to cut off into the raised panel. So it won't even need any surfacing. So I'm going to cut that part off. Three strips should hold it. Paper tape's really cheap. That's a good affordable way to do it. People in the veneers have been doing it for years. Now with that done, I'll open up the joint and I'll put some glue in the back of it where it's close to the tape. Some of it will squeeze out the back, most of it will squeeze out the front. Now you set it back down, add some pieces of tape to it. Now I'll do the other side. Same thing. So with that done, I usually take my thumb and make sure they're aligned. And with it being taped in place, you can reposition these strips a little better than you can with clamps. Throw some shavings on it to dry out that glue. And that way, you can stack them together. After the glue sets, you can go ahead and peel off the tape. Now they're ready for the next step of the milling process. And once they're in the groove, that glue up I just showed you is going to disappear, in some cases entirely. And it kept all the figure out here in the middle, just like I planned. This here will be a front. This here will be a front. I labeled them left and right because they was cut from one board. So they should turn out nice. Anyway, that's a simple video about glue up and how you don't need clamps when you're doing small work. People in veneers have been doing it for years. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please click like and subscribe. See you next time.